Hi team, thank you for enrolling into this course. So as per our WhatsApp conversations, what you will be doing, you will be first choosing the packages. We already know there are 3 packages available. This first one is for manual testing, and specifically there's package 2 and package 3. There is a big difference here. Package 2 here, you are going to learn by yourself with the help of seeing the videos and also taking care of all the query part, installation, everything will be done by yourself only. It's a self-paced video course. And what I'm going to explain is all about the package 3. This means everything, 1, 2, and in addition to that, few more stuff. Course features, you can go and read it one by one. So many things are there. In this specific video, we are going to focus on how to prepare for interview. If you follow this way, definitely there is no doubt you will clear for sure. And what are the portions we are learned in this? That is, go to the QA automation, A to Z automation training. So here I have clearly mentioned the syllabus. And this Canvas portal is designed specifically for Selenium automation using Java. But here 20 modules will be there. Rest of the modules are just like a complementary, like manual testing, API testing, Selenium using Python, Docker, this and all. Like, for example, you may be from non-IT background. For them, I have added manual testing because without knowing manual testing, we can't do a proper automation testing. That is the main reason. And then when we come for rest of the APIs, API testings, Docker, then followed by Python automation, that is in terms of future. It's like for next 10 years, how we can survive in the automation team. So both the cases, this entire syllabus is prepared, but this interview questions, framework creations, all these are specially designed. The MCQs, all are specially designed for Selenium using Java. Keep that point first in your mind. So once you send me the screenshot of the payment, what I will do, I will be giving you the student's code. And this playlist, it is common to everyone, but not all the videos here visible to actually this is a free video, so almost like 40 plus videos will be there, but the main framework videos you can open only through this Canvas portal. So you must know how to use this. But how to register, this is the first website. This video, just open it and it will clearly say how to register using the student code. So registration process, you can check it very easily. It is mentioned, but accessing all the modules and all, it was older one. Now I have updated a lot. So when you come here, go to the modules. First one, video recording playlist. So this is nothing but it will take you to this playlist, nothing but this A to Z playlist. So you will be getting this. This is, of course, this is common, open for all. I have to change this number, but I have arranged in a sequential way. First, it starts with the manual testing. After manual testing is done, agile. After agile is done, then how to work on Jira. Once Jira is done, then we will start with the Java fundamentals. So these belongs to Java fundamentals. So that is what mentioned here. Open this one, come to the modules, and always remember you must follow this process while preparing. Then only it will be easy for you to clear any interview, because you're preparing like 1500 plus topic. If you want to do a revision of such things, at least you need a week of time, definitely. So by watching this recording or just by coding, it is not sufficient. Always have your own long size notebook write down important points. Everyone have their own way of understanding each concept. In a short note, you can note it down, but you must have it so that before going to interview, when you see those points, you should able to summarize, or you should be able to recollect what is that particular concept is for example, break keyword, this will come out of the loop. Continue keyword, it will skip the current iteration. So by seeing these two lines, you should be able to recollect the Java concept. Like that, you should prepare note for every video. Keep this point in mind. One by one you have to watch it. See module 1 manual testing, if you already know, you can skip it. All the materials will be in the PDF format. And this is a talking notes, some shortcuts. We used some important materials, sample test cases, that discussion notebook. And once all these manual testings are done, then you can write the quiz. And this quiz specifically for software development lifecycle, then levels of testing. And now 20 sample case design is there. So if you open this Excel sheet, 20 real-time scenario, step by step, everything is available here. In here, I have explained with only one sample scenario. Based on that, here remaining test case design step by step, it is available here. So you can, by seeing the test case itself, you can understand how the real-time project will look like. And then once you're clear, if you want to learn manual testing, go for writing. This is like assessment. Assessment means exam. You can open it and write. I have already given a scenario here. I can't show that now itself. So you can open it and submit it to me. Once this is done, this is MCQ, means again a quiz. Write full thing. Then only you will understand where you went wrong. And remember, after completing, understanding the practical thing, assessment, then go for the MCQ. MCQ is something multiple choice question. So this is how you should prepare for manual testing. Manual testing means, remember, you must know how to write all the test case design. So this document is very, very, very important. If you are preparing for manual testing modules, don't skip this. So this video is particularly about how to use this particular Canvas portal and which you should not skip it. Then comes Agile. Of course, this is again, you can watch the recordings, materials, their Agile terminologies. Go for the quiz. Followed by Jira. Jira again, open source tool. You can do the same thing. After that, this is and all. Again, manual testing, Agile, Jira. All these videos are open for all. So without even enrolling into this course, you can see it. But this 20 design case, it's only for the paid members. This will not be the materials and other things, quizzes, assessment, assignment. It will not be there for all. Once you are very clear about this concept, now we are entering into the Selenium thing. So in the top itself, see Selenium interview question discussion. So these are all not a document. These are all videos. It will not be available here. See here, if I open this, this will take you to the video, day 1 preparations. So how you should prepare, see how you have to prepare the particular top. Okay, wrongly pressed it. One sec. So here, how you can prepare each interview questions, roadmap, and how you should prepare a resume. Clearly, I have explained it. So every video is very important, and this video belongs to all Selenium basics interview questions. 1 hour, I have clearly explained about each concept. The difference between, with the timestamp is also available, and it is in the unlisted mode. You can't see this Remember, you can't see this in the common playlist. Only you can open through this Canvas portal. This one. Same way, you have to make sure all these videos are watched parallelly. See, you can't watch this on day. This one you can start on day one. These things are whenever you learn something, come and watch this. Listen to this, then go for the MCQ. I can't put it because since it's a very, very important module, I kept it at the top. So this you can start, then go for the assignments, assessment, then listen to this, then go for MCQ, then only you are ready for the interview. Same thing for advanced Selenium because Selenium is important. Then framework level, Java with TestNG, hybrid framework, all the questions and all will be here. This module very, very important. Now comes the resume. Sample resumes are already attached here. Sample resume and the interview questions. Whatever I have explained here in the PDF format available here, and additional questions related to Java collections, everything it is available here. Download it, learn parallelly. Once this is done, see, learn parallelly means when you complete this, you have to watch these two. These two are parallel process. So logically, this is the from module 4. If you already know manual testing, you will start from here. Materials will be available here, and the respective days videos starts from here. Like see here where manual testing, Jira. Now from here only it is starting. Module 1, Java for beginners. Java for beginners. Actually, I have to very soon the timestamp will be available, but this is the sequence in the playlist how it is mentioned. You have to go through that, and here I didn't mention the link, but the programs, the assignment, you have to submit it to me, then I will review, and based on the feedback you'll work on the second assignment and rework on the existing assignment. Like this, every program you will be doing it one by one, and assignment 1 2 3. Once this assignment is done, then you can go for this quiz. It is single attempt only. Don't try to open simply and you lose your chance. Like that, you have to do it continuously till this 7 assignment 3 quizzes. This is covers 30 percentage of the Java. Remember, 30 percentage of the Java only going to help you to complete the Selenium part. That's how I taught you in the class. So after this Java, see here it starts from day 5. We are moving after Java, we are moving into the Selenium part. One by one Selenium in a sequential way. We are learning it for like day till day 15. It is all about Selenium only. So that is what mentioned here in a sequentially all the programs will be doing it, and you must do the assignment and submit to me. So when you submit the assignment, then only I will understand where you stand, and I will give all the feedback, and some of the optional assignments also will be there. So you have to complete all these things, then only you're ready for the mock interview. So XPath, cheat code, all these things will be here till this. Yes. Once this is again additional program, once this is completed, then we are moving into remaining 70 percentage of the Java oops concept from day 16. It's here day 16, but the sequence remains the same. You have to complete all the Java, followed by Java collection is also I made it here. So that is what here. So we will start with, this is the fundamentals for TestNG program, TestNG framework. So we have to go all these program completed. Assignment is very, very important. You have to do it parallelly. Even if you do slowly, no problem. But do code it by yourself. Don't download this program and re-upload it again. Then there is no use of interview preparation. Everything code by yourself. Then only I can give you a correct feedback about where you stand. That one point. And whenever you learn any videos, we can't rewatch this 2 hours video again. So better take notes. That notes alone will help you to get a very high pay scale, because in the interview, how it will be asked, how your salary is decided, everything I have clearly explained in this video. Don't miss this video. This will tell you how much salary you will get it based on the number of questions you are going to answer for it. Either out of every country will be 10 questions. So how the packages are decided, all the tricks I have clearly mentioned here. So watch this. So once Selenium is done, Java done, Selenium done, then remaining Java is done. See, I mentioned part one, part two. Even for a reason only, I have arranged like this: module 4, part one, module 5, Selenium, module 4, part two. Once this is done, then we will know about the Maven too. So here we started with the Maven. So here it will be a Maven here, followed by the TestNG framework. TestNG framework, you must learn one by one. Don't skip it, because based on this only I have created a framework. In that you will be trained. Without knowing that, it is impossible to clear an interview. Remember that also. So try to go sequentially. Don't skip it. Don't randomly learn. Just I want to complete it in 1 month, I have to go for interview. It will never work out. Do it slowly. Consistency is very important. So test ng, again you can see here, all of them are in a sequential way. Go with the assignments one by one by one. Once this is all done, see, till this is, it's all about preparations, coding. Now this is, again, it will be available everywhere, but now comes very important: online assessment. This is online based on the TestNG framework page object model. I have created one assessment. You can open it. So the requirements are already, you have to create a page factory module for some requirement I have mentioned that you need to complete it in just 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. If you can, there is no time duration, but if you're able to do it in 3 to 4 hours, then you can go and work in automation project without any big burden. So that is possible only if you code all these things. So this gives a very high, it will improve your confidence level on all these concepts. And these are all MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice questions. These are all prepared based on the interview questions. So you will be watching interview questions videos and you will write down this. From here only, in the interviews they will ask. So make sure you attend this at the end. Now comes the most important module, module number 8, framework. So here all framework I have divided into 3 parts, which I have already mentioned in the course feature, how we need to prepare it. For example, if you go here, see 3 levels. You have to execute, you have to fix the failed script, you have to add the new script. Execution, anyone can do it. In order to fix the script, you must know page factory model. So that is nothing but your online assessment. If you know that, this is going to be easier. And then how to write a new test case in the existing framework. If you understood testng videos, all these videos till this, then only you can touch this topic. This one I have explained. Code is available here, explanations, materials, all are available here. Project code, you can download this one, directly execute. It will be with some passed and failed. And then if you want to try with level 2, then level 3. Don't take these codes and try it. Start from level 1 and try to complete all the 3 levels by yourself. And how to explain the framework is here. So this is the first interview question. Can you please tell me about your framework in your previous company? Means you just give any name and explain this framework, they will trust you. and how I gave the fix for it. The videos are explained here. This module 8 is the deciding factor for you to enter into a company. So don't skip it. That will not be available here. So remember that. So this you should never skip it. Module 8 at any cost, don't skip it. Without completing this, if you go for an interview, you will not clear. I can return and give it to you, because the first 15 minutes itself they will ask, can you please tell me about your framework, where you will place the script, where the test data, how will you fail, how will you fix the failed one, where the logs will be there, all the queries, all the questions answers. You will do it by yourself when you work on level by level, 1 2 3. So when you do this one, that is writing existing test case, means 99% you will clear the interview. I am okay with this. I know how to fix it, means you can tell, like in my project, it is a maintenance project only. I didn't get an opportunity to work from the scratch. I'm waiting for that opportunity. So this, you should not compromise with level 2. But I'm saying, in the worst case, you should attain level 3. It's very very easy. If you watch this recording, that too after completing these many assignment assessment, this is going to be like a cakewalk for you, because all the concept I would have used in this framework. Once this is done, with this knowledge, definitely you can go and hit the interview. But nowadays the DevOps playing a major role. So GitHub, how to do the setup, documentation. And again, this is an open, it is open for all. You can go and see here, GitHub, Jenkins, and automation lifecycle, theoretical topics. It is there, that is open for all. Cucumber nowadays, some projects they are asking, some projects they are not asking. So that is also available openly. This is not like an ad hoc. If you value added, if you know Selenium 4, that is well and good, or else no problem. But still I have added it. So materials will be added soon. One PDF is there, I will add it soon. I think I missed it. Here it is there, I will add that PDF here. And then this is what next important one. This I didn't teach it even in the live class. This is for when I start in the starting stage, I was teaching this. This is something like, if you're going for a lead interview, architect interview, you must know how to do the estimation, how to give the rating. Like manager topic, you want to become a manager, or you are a lead, module lead, how you give the rating, how you handle the escalations, how each test cases are estimated. So above 6 to 7 year experience, you can focus on this. No, like 2 to 3 year experience, 4 years, I'm not manager level, means you can watch it, at least understand what is happening in your project. So this will not be here. And then with this, actually, you can able to go and attend any interview. With this, actually, we are completing the all the main whatever needed for a person to enter into QA automation using Selenium. And rest of the modules are like, in terms of future, but here it will not be there. Only I started with few SOAP UI day 48. So after this, don't use playlist. What you can do, follow this module 14 and 15. SOAP UI, manual testing, automation testing. If your requirement is API, that is, be ready for the next 10 years. So learn this, nothing wrong in it. Understand the SOAP UI and Postman API, manual testing. This is again one of the very trending framework right now used in the industry. Web service, codeless automation. You can keep it at the end, but still don't skip this. This is what, once you settled into the automation job, then you start from here. That is what I mean to say. Then rest assured, at least if a company asking API compulsory, means shortcut is module 16, you learn it, Postman API. The same example I have used in the rest assured. So module 16 and module 18, if you completed in your resume, you can write API testing also. I will know it. And 19, just now we started Python for automation. So Python is going on parallelly. So once this is done, robot framework we will be teaching you. After that, module 13, one more module is there, that is Docker. That also I will be adding it very soon. So this is I disabled it so you can't see as a student view. So like this only you have to prepare. So here 80% is open topic there, but that is not enough for you to clear an interview. So whomever purchased it, don't fully depend on this. Always follow the Canvas portal, and you must know how many assignments you have it, and always go in a sequential way. So 100% after completing all these assignments, definitely you can clear any interview, assignments, quizzes. And we already have the WhatsApp group. You can always post the queries there. I will be replying you every late night. If not, our team members will be helping you on all your queries. If you have any specific issues, then we will have one-on-one discussion. I'll be explaining you on setup issues, because setup is going to be a trouble. I will fix it for you. So that's about how to prepare for the interview. So what I can do is I will just stopping the recording. I will upload it. Any doubt, you rewatch this recording, and don't forget some important thing. Without this, don't waste the interview chances. Number one, you must have own notes. This alone will help you to do a fast recap before interview. Own notes, it takes time, but do it. Even if it is 2 to 3 months to complete this portion, do it. Have your own notes, first thing. And after completing all the thing, framework 3 levels. Without this, please don't attend interview. Complete this. Then watch the that interview question and answer recordings. If these things are ready, once you submitted all the assignments, I will review your assignments, assessment, MCQ score, then we will go for mock interview. I can surely tell how it will go, and sometimes we will get an opening with our own project from some of our students are already in big companies. They will tell we need a resource. So at that time, if I know have better score, and some of the HRs already know what is a syllabus we have follow it in our organization, so directly I can send you a resume. But I'm very clear, I have to go and see all your assignments. Initially, everyone will start with full enthu, but not everyone complete the best way. See, I can't show you the grades, but I will be getting all the assignments details here. So this I can able to see all the grades. I'll be giving the score, feedbacks to you. So everything will happen here only. You can't see the score, but only you can view your own score. So please make sure you all completing the assignments and following this trick. Then only we will have a mock interview. Excuse me. And see here, this support I will give you for 1 year. 1 year in sense, what I mean is from the date of enrollment, you must follow this process. You go and attend interview. If things are not working out, share me the question. I will give you the solutions for it. And then this you must do it. Then I will be doing a code review according to industrial standard. You just read it. I'm just giving an heads up. When I will prepare resumes, when I see all your assignment, online quiz, MCQ, 3 levels of framework, then I will prepare your resume. Why? Because Sometimes you will be so intelligent. I can proudly say, yeah, 6 years automation experience also. At that time, you will get more than 15 lakhs also. Sometimes you will be in intermediate. So I can adjust like 3 years manual testing, 4 years automation testing. Accordingly, those lies can be decided only from this performance matrices. So without this, if we prepare resume, definitely at one level we may not get through, because initially lead will take an interview, then project manager, then on-site technical lead. At least 3 to 4 technical levels of interviews, project level interview will be there. So resume needs to match your skill set. Simply we can't say I know this thing, that thing. It is easy to find it. And mock interview, once you complete the resume, then you already prepared all the questions and answers by watching those recordings. Then what will happen, we will have a face to face video conference. I will ask you a question and then give you the feedback. You will be ready for the interview. Coding support, during the time you have any queries, yes, I will help you. If something is not working, one on one directly I will connect to you, like how I am doing it now through Zoom meeting. I will explain, or I will take control of your desktop and do it for you. So all the materials lifetime. Excuse me. So no need to worry about it. And that's the main thing. Referrals, again I'm saying, it's purely depends upon the, so many, our own project mates are in different companies. We are getting a lot of referrals nowadays. But are you able to clear such interviews? Even if I say like this is my friend or my team member, they are going to ask a question from framework. So without this, no one can able to clear the interview. So such an important modules, you should follow this. Then only clearing the interview will be easier. Definitely trust me, in order to complete this portion, 3 months minimum it will take. Per day, if you study for 1 hour, also 3 months it will take, with coding practice, assignment, assessment, everything. 3 months, if you put effort, definitely you're going to get some great, better salary. So I'm passing the recording. I will upload this. You can rewatch it. If you have any queries, you can put it into the comments, or else message me in WhatsApp. I will explain you again. Thank you.